Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you've already seen from the title and also the thumbnail that we're going to be doing a pixie cut today. I recently did a video for WowAfrican maybe about like 3 to 4 weeks ago, and many of you guys asked under that video if I would try the pixie cut. So I'm really excited to bring you guys this particular unit today. This is what the box looks like. I always love that their units come in these satin bags. It has their logo on it. It's this really nice pastel pink, which I just adore. So we're gonna take this unit out and go to work, y'all. I hope y'all are excited. I'm gonna try to curl this one as well, because some of you guys asked that I do a bit more curling this time. I don't have a small curling iron, so we're gonna try to do the very best that we can with my flat iron. So right out of the package, this is what it looks like. This one doesn't have that little tail like the one I featured in my last video. It doesn't look like it does anyway. The knots have also been bleached. Let me put it on my head. So as you all can see, this one also comes with the part on the left side. I don't know why that's like a staple for most companies, but it looks as though it actually allows you to be able to shift the part, which is good. Yeah, it seems like it's the same length. So I'm gonna shift the part to the side that I wear my hair on. So it's gonna be on this side. This is what the inside construction looks like. You have 2 combs on the sides. There's a comb at the bottom. And you also get an adjustable strap. And if you wanted to actually cut some bangs, that would also look really good. And I'm kind of deciding because I might want to do some bangs. I don't know. Contrary to how I wore the unit in the last video that I did a pixie cut, I kind of want this one to flow forward towards my face a little more. So I'm gonna part it and then curl it that way.
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why are you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this new. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Cause I still think you're perfect. I'll be missing you from now until I find a way to.
Babe, put a sock in it.
Cause you are my strength and my pride. I gave you all me. When I came, I knew that I'd be down for the fall if it happened. So much unspoken. Sometimes we're not happy, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here. be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here. Ooh, stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here. Stranded with you. We're surviving together. Said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here. Ooh, stranded with you.
Y'all, this looks so great. And you can actually trim down the front if you desire to, so the bangs are shorter. I'm not gonna do that just so I have the flexibility of being able to wear the part on this side or this side and still be able to have the cut that they created, because you may not want it down in your face all the time. You want to be able to have the option to kind of lay it off to the side a little more rather than having it forward. But I really like it styled this way. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I actually wore this multicolored, multi-print beach dress on my vacation, and I think it looks so good with this particular hairstyle. It looks really jazzy. I just love it so much. And I'm really happy with the way it looks in the front with the bangs. That looks really cool. So I'm gonna do a full spin so y'all can get a better sense of what this unit looks like. It looks like it could be my hair, like for real. And this actually mimics the cut that my sister had so much more, the way that it is currently, and the style that I had. I shared in my previous Pixie cut video that we had our hair like this. I think it was like the last year of college that we had our hair like this, as well as maybe like 3-4 years after when we first started teaching. So brings back sweet memories. And then this is what it looks like in the back. Now I did cut the little tail, but again, I can't see what it looks like. So hopefully it turned out nicely. I don't know. So yeah, I really hope that you all love this look. I'm such a fan of it. It looks so cute and it's really beginner friendly. I feel like it was really easy to install, also easy to lay. And if you're actually gonna curl this particular part of it, you really don't have to worry about it being perfect. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Also check the description box. All the details, specifications, and everything for this unit will be down there. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I cannot wait to hear what y'all think about this one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe once again, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.